hello there. Now he has a name. Would you like to tell everyone what is your name? Yes, he's still munching with his sunflower seeds. Are you ready? Now, what is your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. One more time, what is your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. Now Amigo is also a very polite word. Now Amigo, how have you greet all these nice people? How are you? Yeah, so how are you feeling this morning? Good? Yes, good to hear that. Now Amigo is also a very smart and intelligent bird. He knows how to count 1 to 10 first in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, perfect. Very good. Now, Amigo's going to try something even more difficult this time round. He's going to count 1 to 10 in Chinese.
2, 3, 4,
Hen hao means good in Chinese. Now, Amigo also loves to sing. He knows how to sing 2 different songs in 2 different languages. Now, the first song he's going to sing is a Malay song. They originated from Indonesia. It's titled Rasa Sayang. Simply means feelings of love. A very romantic bird over here. Now, Amigo, how do you sing the song Rasa Sayang?